So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to PlethoraMoons. In this video, we're going to go quickly over what is cybersecurity. A lot of people may not have any idea what it is, so we're just going to touch bases on this concept and what it actually means for you. All right, so cybersecurity is the practice of defending computers, servers, mobile devices, electronic systems, networks, and data from malicious attacks. It's also known as information technology security or electronic information security. And in the Web3 space, we're going to call it the Web3 security. The term applies in a variety of contexts, from business to mobile computing, and can be divided into a few common categories. And here's the list of categories. Network security, which is the practice of securing a computer network from intruders, whether targeted attackers or opportunistic malware. Application security focuses on keeping software and devices free of threats. A compromised application could provide access to the data is designed to protect. Successful security begins in the design stage, well before a program or device is even deployed. Information security. This protects the integrity and privacy of data, both in storage and in transit. Then there's operational security. This includes the processes and decisions for handling and protecting data assets, the permissions users have when assessing a network, and the procedures that determine how and where data may be stored or shared all fall under this umbrella. Disaster recovery and business continuity. Define how a organization responds to a cybersecurity incident or any other event that causes the loss of operations of data. Disaster recovery policies dictate how the organization restores its operations and the information to return to the same operating capacity as before the event. Business continuity is the plan that the organization falls back on while trying to operate without certain resources. Now, last but not least, there's the end user education, which addresses the most unpredictable cybersecurity factor: people. Anyone can accidentally introduce a virus to an otherwise secure system by failing to follow good security practices. Teaching users to delete suspicious email attachments, not plug in unidentified USB drives, and various other important lessons is vital for the security of any organization. That's why at PlethoraMoons, we're here to educate everyone and make sure you guys know that most of the biggest threat happens on a social engineering level, where you can only be hacked if you allow someone to hack you. And also, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you like this video. Drop a comment below. Thanks.